What's going on?
They coming out?
I think so.
Hey, Greg, come here for a second.
Not now.
No?
Hold on.
Yeah.
What the heck is going on?
When you start sweating and then you come out in the cold, you get cold.
Yes,
I was
you do.
calling
Family, right? They're all here.
Yeah.
They're right outside.
Great. Where's it at?
Where's it at?
No way! There's your house.
Where's your house?
There's your house. There's your car.
The new whip.
No, I didn't know. I just saw keys. I had a.
I thought we were like
I
breaking
know-
up a fight out
I
here.
know
or
Don
something.
well.
I'm scared.
I knew Don was
Where
up to
is
something.
it? Stop.
The red one? No way. Actually, the blue one.
Yeah.
Nice. No way, dude. Nice. Come on. What are you doing?
It's got a good inspection.
Hold on. I'm not surprised because like I knew God was up to something. I mean, I was just really trusting him, but like I just like this is what I pictured myself doing, so I'm just gonna do it.
You're like, his ways are higher
God,
than my ways.
thank you
I was
so
like,
much.
so annoyed.
God, you're awesome. I love you. I love your people. God, thank you for a family that takes care of us. Thanks, God. I don't know what else to say.
And thanks to Bill Machitowski, because he had parts.
Watch your mouth.
Thank you, Bill.
Hopefully it starts.
I
I don't even know what to do.
Oh my gosh, I don't really know what to do. Thank you. It's good. This is on your phone.
You put the key in and you turn it.
Nice.
Amanda, I'm sure you'll know now.
Get that camera out of my face.
Get that corn out of my face. Here, open this door here. What do you think, huh?
That's great.
Well, that's funny. Look. Are you good at that?
I know, I love the class.
You closer with the plane, though?